So guys, ito na ang ating healthy wrap. And we have a cottage cheese with strawberry. And of course, some strawberry. And let's make a matcha latte. We're using this brand, Private Selection. Oh, shit. So just pour some milk in there. And then we're going to add this. And then we're going to stir it. Stir. And then put it aside. And then we're going to add a little bit of this. Then I should. Then the exciting part. Let's put this. Cheers. So this is our drink ups, and this is our breakfast. Look at that. Looks good. See that? A wrap, cottage cheese, fruits, lots of protein. So this is the wrap that I made. It has bacon, cherry tomatoes, and cream cheese. I use it as bread. And then I have egg whites with the cheese, and then I put some bacon. So it's look like this. Good, good, good. And then I made a matcha latte. It's so good. And then I have cottage cheese, and I have some grapes, and I have some berries. So this is how I spent my morning. I finished my breakfast, then I watched cooking vlog, and then later on I'm gonna do my workout. So right now I'm watching Siren Life. She is a Korean and she loves to cook.
And then rounding through the spine, engaging the abs. Beautiful. A few more like this, rounding through. Double hold, squeeze through. Good. One more in. Tap. And hold. There we go. Right. Stretch your legs. Bend it in. And squeeze. So we're getting that little bit of ab work. And we're really starting to warm up through those glutes and hamstrings. Exhale. Inhale.
So I made this biscuit for our breakfast. I'm melting a chocolate for the strawberry. So I'm gonna be going down to pick up my daughter. And there she is. For the drop. I saw her by the window. How you doing? And she's running because she's our friend.
Swirl
So I made this yesterday for my smoothie.
Help.
Then I made my daughter this chocolate dip strawberries with white chocolate and dark chocolate. So I'm making a garlic bread to partner up with my pasta. So let's add some mozzarella. Make it really, really good. And then my wife, this is the pineapple touch. Pineapple product for lunch. Peso pasta. It's a vegetarian one, and this garlic bread with mozzarella to make it. So we're gonna be eating our Garlic toast. And our penny pasta. Vegetarian. Going to make a smoothie for our snack. Let's wash it first. Good. Then we're going to pour some. And then we're going to drink our smoothie. Really good. Look at my muscles.